Welcome to Digital Skillwork Studio, where digital skills come to life. My goal is to guide you through clear, beginner-friendly lessons that make learning digital tools simple, enjoyable, and stress-free. In this lesson, you will learn how to use the Canva Brand Kit. The Brand Kit helps you keep your colors, fonts, and logos consistent across all your designs. This is helpful for personal projects, business branding, and digital products because it keeps everything looking clean and professional. To access the Brand Kit, look at the left sidebar on your Canva homepage. The Brand tab takes you to a page where all your brand settings are stored. This is where you'll find your colors, fonts, and logos organized in one place. The Brand Kit keeps your design style consistent by storing your brand colors, brand fonts, and logos in one central location. When these elements are saved, you can apply them to any design quickly, which helps all your projects match each other visually. Brand colors are the main colors you want to use in your designs. You can add a color by selecting the plus sign and choosing a shade from the palette. If you have a specific color code, you can type it in to match your exact brand color. Free users can save a limited number of colors, while Canva Pro users can create multiple color palettes. Brand fonts help you keep your text consistent across all your designs. You can choose a font for headings, a font for subheadings, and a font for body text. Canva Pro users can also upload their own fonts, which is helpful if you use a custom typeface for your brand. You can upload your logos to the Brand Kit so they are always easy to find. Once your logos are saved here, you can add them to any design without searching through your files. Logo uploads are a Canva Pro feature. When you open a design, your Brand Kit appears inside the editor. When you click on text, your brand fonts show up in the font menu. When you click on shapes or backgrounds, your brand colors appear in the color panel. This makes it easy to apply your brand style instantly without manually searching for colors or fonts. Here is a simple comparison. The free plan allows you to save a small set of brand colors. Canva Pro gives you unlimited brand kits, unlimited color palettes, and the ability to upload fonts and logos. Both versions help you stay organized, but the Pro features give you more control and flexibility. The Brand Kit saves time and keeps your designs consistent. Whether you create digital products, social media graphics, or business materials, having your colors, fonts, and logos ready to use helps your work look polished and professional. You now understand how to use the Canva Brand Kit and how it helps you stay consistent across all your designs. In the next lesson, you'll begin exploring Canva's creative tools, including text, shapes, and photo tools, to start building your own designs. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you don't miss the next lesson. Your support helps this channel grow. I'll see you in the next tutorial.